Hello everyone, this is Kevin from the Purchase Planner team, here to go over our second prototype for the Purchase Planner. Based off of our heuristics evaluation and our cognitive walkthrough, we've each individually made adjustments to our respective portions of the application. So today I'm going to go over the different changes to our app that we've made. So first, let's go into the product section. And the first thing you're going to notice is that this menu's been reduced down to 3 sections. In the Add Product section, you have all of these different options for adding new products into the app. So the first section is the search section, where you can just input your key terms, select your category, your budget, and also the website you're shopping through, and then you can just search for these products online via the app directly, and then the results will be produced on the bottom, and you can refine your search here by selecting the parameters you want to filter. And when you apply it, the app will reorganize the products in order based off of your filters. And from here you can save these products into your saved folders or your shortlist, or you can also add them directly to your comparison folders here. Next, you can also add products into the app through other apps on your phone. Here, if you enable this feature, it will add a plug-in into different shopping apps that are already on your phone. And after you hit proceed, this little plus icon will start appearing on different shopping sites. And all you have to do is click this plus icon, and it'll automatically upload it into the purchase planning app. Next, the other option for adding products is you can scan QR codes or barcodes here. Through the app, you can use the camera and scan the barcode or QR code, and it'll automatically upload into the application. And then you can also upload an image directly from your phone, and after you do that, the product will automatically upload into the app. Next, you can also paste a link into this field here, and the app will automatically start loading the link of the product that you've selected. And once it's loaded, you can also confirm here, and then it'll automatically add into the application. And then finally, if all the other methods fail, you can use the add manually feature, which allows you to just input all of the information about the product manually and upload it this way. Okay, once you've added your products, you're going to want to start comparing your different options for the one you want to ultimately purchase. So if you hit the compare features button, you'll get a list of the products that are saved, and you can select the ones you want to compare. Once you hit the compare, you enter the compare interface, where you can select the different features of the product that you want to compare. So you can compare maybe by type, by the engine, by the dimensions, or by the price. And if you have a long list of features, you can use the search bar to search for the feature that you care the most about. And then if you want to manage the products that you've already added to the application, you can go to manage shortlist. Here you can see the different folders of products that you've added into the app. So these are the ones that you've saved. If you click the trash icon, it will move the product to the trash can. so it'll have you a little alert, and then if you hit confirm, it just gets added to the deleted folder, and it'll hold your deleted products for a certain amount of time before it removes it from the app. And then you also have the nominated folder where you've nominated saved products for comparison, and you put the best options into this folder. Okay. Next, we're going to talk about the collaboration features of the application. So if you go into collaboration, you have a few different options here. So first feature is the chat feature, which allows you to chat with other team members on a purchase you're trying to make. And here you can just message each other and input images or links and share information about a purchase. And then if we go back, we can also collaboratively compare certain products. So in here, you can see a list of products, and different team members can thumbs up or comment on individual product options. If you click the comment icon, you can it'll show all the comments that have been made, and you can also upload your own comment. So on top, you can see there's a quick menu that lets you quickly navigate between the chat section and the product comparison section. And also, if you want to switch channels for the different purchase groups you're trying to make, you can just click here, and you can see there are the different options for different purchases different people are trying to make. So you can join John's motorcycle purchase if you just click here, and then you guys it'll open up a whole new chat channel, and then you can also add new channels here. Okay, next, if you're going to work together with people, you're going to need to invite people. So in the invite menu, it's pretty much the same as the last prototype. You can just input people's emails or phone numbers. If you click this plus sign, it'll add them to the list here. And then you can write a custom message here. You can click whether you want this invitation to go to them via email or text message, and then ultimately it'll just send them a link, and once you hit send, the message will get sent to them, and you get this little alert, and you click OK. So that's inviting. Next, we're going to talk about how you can manage the settings of different members in your purchase group. So here you have kind of like a list of all the different members that are in your team. It shows them their status, and also gives you options for what they can see and what they can do. So one section is the visibility section, which allows them to see certain pieces of information. And another one is the administration section, which gives certain members administrative power to do certain things in the group, like invite members or remove members, and you can give different members different amounts of power. And then if you want to remove a member from your group, you can just click this remove icon. It'll give you a little warning if you want to remove someone, because once you remove them, you will have to re-invite them if you want them to come back. So if you click yes, Jane's gone from the list, and you'll have to re-invite her. Next, if you want to look at other people's purchases, their goals, that sort of thing, there's a social section. If you click here, you'll go into your friends' goals or your friends' purchases. and then you can just go in and look at the different purchase comparisons they're making. And if you want to, you can search the different friends you're looking for here. Okay, that pretty much covers the collaboration part of the app. Next, we're going to talk about goals. So here you can see, as last time, you have the different purchase goals you're trying to reach, and here you can manage the finances for reaching these goals. So if you want to search for a specific goal, you can just click that search icon and you can just type in the goal you're looking for, and it'll show up in the search results. If you're unsure about the navigation, you can go into the tutorial. It'll tell you the different things. I guess I should have clicked that first, but here you can see that's for searching, and then this is for adding new goals. Okay, so let's say you want to add a new goal to this list. You just click this add goal icon. Here you can just input all the information. You can input the name of the purchase goal, like say you want to buy a house, the total cost of this purchase, the category of this purchase, what the deadline is, like when you hope you can finally make this purchase. Sometimes a purchase is fairly deadline driven, so this is an important feature to keep you on track. And then you can also set the minimal monthly savings, so that each month you know how much you have to budget for this purchase. And then you can also select the notifications you want, so you can get email notifications or progress notifications. And then once you add it, you can see the specifics of this goal in this interface. You can see your progress. You can see the different payments you've made over time. And also, this is a new feature. You can see the different financing options. So if you go here, you can see different banks or different sources where you can get a loan or payment plans. And you can see the interest and which one would suit you the best for your financial situation, as well as the purchase you're trying to make. You can also go to, you can see the progress through this chart here. This chart just shows you, how much money you've put into this purchase over time. And then this is the options. Yes, if you click here, you can decide to edit certain bits of information or delete them. Let's go back. And then also, if you want to add a payment, you can just click this add payment button. You can pick the account you want the money to be transferred from. You can select which one, which purchase you're trying to transfer this money to, the amount you want to transfer, and you can set automatic payments, how many times or how frequent you want these payments to be made, and so on. Okay, so that pretty much covers setting payment plans and goals for your purchases. Next, you can have the help setting, which will help you manage alerts and also share your different inquiries with other experts or team members. Okay, so you can also set certain reminders and notifications within the app to notify you when you need to make payments, or there are some important tasks that you need to perform during the whole process. So from set payment reminders, you can click this switch if you want to set reminders via alerts on your phone or through email reminders, and you can adjust the different settings for that. If you want missed payments alerts, you can click this one, and if you're about to miss a payment or you've just missed a payment, it'll send you another alert, and then you can immediately make the payment through the alert that you get. And here you can set notifications about goals that you've reached yourself or that your friends or team members have reached. And then you can also set your monthly payment dates here through a calendar. So if I go into set a monthly payment date, you can just click the date that you want to make a payment, and it will alert you. And then I'm just going to show you what the alerts look like. So if you have a missed payment, this is what the alert would look like, and then you can choose whether you want to make the payment now or just set it for a different date. This is what a goal reached alert would look like. If you want to view it now, you just click here and it'll take you to the page where your goal is set. So this is what an alert of a friend or member who has reached their goal would look like. And if you get this alert, you can congratulate them by clicking yes. And here you can set your different congratulation settings, so you can congratulate them through Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, whatever social media platform you're using, or you can select congratulate them through email. And if you want to get advice from other team members, you can set out these kind of like forum questions. You can just type in a category, a title, and also what your question is. And then when you send it, you'll enter this list of shared queries where people can browse through these and respond to the ones that they can help with. Yeah, that's good advice. Shared queries is just a list of the different queries people have. Okay, so that pretty much covers our purchase planner prototype 2. It's been a pretty great project, and hopefully we can take this a little further, and we're looking forward to doing some user testing. Okay, take care.